A pillow that can stop snoring, what a great idea. It's a great idea indeed, but one that nobody seems to have figured out just yet. Click link in the description to get your pillow now. Snoreless Pillow comes with 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Not available in stores. No prescription needed. What you might expect: a significant decrease or complete elimination of snoring. An improvement in oxygen saturation. A higher quality of restful sleep. Longer periods of uninterrupted sleep. Medical indications of use. May be used as a treatment to eliminate mild obstructive sleep apnea. May be used to stop or decrease snoring. May be used to improve the quality of sleep. May be used to reduce daytime sleepiness and fatigue. Enhance your sleep tonight with the Snore Reduction Pillow. The Snoreless Pillow elevates, aligns and opens the throat airway for healthier breathing and quieter evenings for all. Recessed core support properly cradles the head, elevates and aligns to open up airways. Raises chin off chest for efficient snore reduction. Enhances support for head and neck. Fits into any standard pillowcase. Proven to relieve minor head, neck and shoulder pain and mild acid reflux. Click link in the description to get your pillow now. Snoreless Pillow comes with 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Not available in stores. No prescription needed. The secret: the Snoreless Snoring Pillow is designed to position your jaw slightly forward and help to keep your airway open. You will awake more refreshed and feel more energized throughout your whole day. Daytime sleepiness and fatigue. Researchers have found that habitual snoring is related to excessive daytime sleepiness, falling asleep involuntarily during the day, waking up unrefreshed, daytime fatigue, and dry mouth on awakening. Researchers report nearly 3/4 of people with chronic acid reflux, GERD, suffer nighttime symptoms not typically associated with the disease. These include coughing, snoring and chest pain. Research indicates that elevating your head and esophagus above your feet can help prevent the backflow of irritating stomach acids into your esophagus, causing uncomfortable burning in your stomach as you sleep. Click link in the description to get your pillow now. Snoreless Pillow comes with 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Not available in stores. No prescription needed. The solution: the Snoreless Snoring Pillow. The Snoreless Snoring Pillow, placed on top of a standard size pillow, will comfortably raise your head above your feet and can help prevent the backflow of irritating stomach acids into your esophagus. Real-world reports. One thing I found interesting about this solution was the amount of other conditions this pillow is supposed to help with. The list includes things like acid reflux, neck pain, and even shoulder pain. Some people who used this pillow for a longer period actually reported. This was no surprise, anti-snoring pillows are helping to reduce their neck pain. Click link in the description to get your pillow now. Snoreless Pillow comes with 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Not available in stores. No prescription needed.